What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to design a landing page on Webflow. Webflow.com is a powerful platform that you can use to build your website. It is very easy to use with lots of powerful features, so it is beginner friendly and you can use it as an advanced user also. So you'll need to open the Webflow website, that's webflow.com, and here you are greeted with like a page with some features, and you can log in if you have an account, or you can click on get started and create a new account for it. So I've already created an account on the platform. All you have to do is click on get started, and then you can sign up with email or Google, and once you sign up you will be asked to enter your password if you sign up with email. Then it'll ask you to answer a few questions to further get to know your work nature, and then it'll open the main dashboard. So after signing up, that's the main dashboard that will open. That's the main dashboard on your Webflow account. You can see here on the dashboard the sites that you created. You can go to tutorials and your sites, and you can go to any site that you created and edit the settings, edit the site itself, the elements of the site, share it, move it to a folder, duplicate it, or delete it. And you also at the top here have many options like a marketplace where you can view your libraries and apps, learn and resources, and in resources you have your community forums and ebooks, so stuff that you can learn how to use the site from. And on the top right here you have the account options, like you view your public profile, account settings, workspaces, and updates, or you can sign out. So here let's create a new website and show you how to edit the landing page. To create a new site, let's click here on new site. You can choose to start your website from scratch and add all the elements, so a blank site. And then you have many starter profiles. So these are like not ready-made templates with images and colors and style and stuff like that, but they have placeholders for text and images, so they are more organized and you can edit the elements. We have a portfolio starter, a business, and a store starter. Or you can go to templates. You have many templates here on the website that the Webflow website gives you, and you can click on view all to view all available templates. There are many available templates for all type of websites. However, as you see, these templates are not free. So this one is $49, this one is $79, so they are not free templates. However, if you scroll down a bit, you'll see here you have a section for free templates. So you can use a free template here. You can click on view all to view all free templates, and you can even sort them or filter them by like category, language, style, features, type, and so on. And as you can see, you have templates for websites for many types of businesses and products like retail, fitness, restaurant, learning, fashion, and so on. So let's choose a template that we like. Let's go to this one right here. Click on it. You can click on preview in browser. It'll open a new tab where it'll open your template as a full website, and you can scroll down and interact with the different elements and buttons here. So you can click on products, for example, and it'll lead you to the products page where you can see the products available. As I told you, we can later in the editor edit all these elements, so replace the images, replace the text, and anything. Okay, looking good. Let's close this tab right here and then click on use for free. First, you'll need to enter a name for your site. So let's name it our first website. Then click on create site. Okay, now the editor is opened and your template is loaded. You have at the top here many views for the site. So that's the desktop view. That's how your site will look like on a computer or a desktop. A tablet view, a mobile landscape, and a mobile portrait view. And in the mobile view, you can further edit the size to see how your website will look on different screens or different phones. And as I change the size here, it'll tell you like what phones are in this screen size. So here the iPhones, and if I make it a bit larger, as you can see here, the Kindle, the Galaxy Note 5, and so on. So you can see how your website will look on different screen sizes. Now you can click, let's go back first to the desktop view. You can click on the plus icon here at the left, on the left, to add elements like add sections, containers, and blocks and lists, and you can add videos and images and so on to your website. Here we are editing the home page, or the page that will open once you give your URL to someone else or send it with email. And we can here view the components of the websites. Click on the navigator to view the different sections and content. And we can click on here on users to add users to a website, so your team that will help you build your website. And we can go here to the products page, or the e-commerce page, where you can see the products that are available on your website, edit them, edit the price, the names, add new products, and edit their images and so on. View the categories, view the discounts if you have discounts on certain like products. Here there are no discounts yet. Your orders, your subscriptions, and so on. And here you can view the assets, so the graphic elements and the pictures and anything that is on your website you can view here. Your logo, your icons, your images, and so on. And here we can view the apps and the settings of the website. Let me show you how to edit these elements, these already pre-made elements. So let's go to home here, the home button here. Let's double click on it, and here we can select the text. We can make it bold, italic, superscript, subscript, add a link, and edit the text itself. And if we go to the tab here on the right, we can edit the margin size. So here let's make the top margin a bit bigger so that you can see. And we can also edit the text style. So if you scroll down a bit to the typography, we can edit the font here, and we can also edit the size and the alignment and style, and we can even edit the text color. So let's make it like bright red. Okay, looking good. And we can do so with each element or each text here. Of course, we can also edit the images. So if we can click on the image here of the pillow, we can edit the margin sizes. We can edit the image size itself here, or the position. And if we go to settings here, we can edit the image settings, and we can view the style manager and the interactions. Let's go to the cart icon here. If we click on the tab itself or the header itself, let's double click on the cart icon. Okay, sorry, the cart icon here. Let's choose it, and we can here replace the image itself. So we can click on replace image to upload a new icon or new image for the cart from our computer, and we can do so also with all the images on the website. Of course, we are focusing here on the landing page or the home page or the web of the website. However, we can go to any page and edit it. So if we go here to the pages option, we can go to the products page, and we can also edit all the elements in the products page, like images and text and so on. And once you are happy with all your edits and you've done all that you want on your website and you are ready here to publish it, you'll go here to the publish option. You'll click on publish. It will give you the option from like a custom built like URL for your website. You can choose it, or you can get a custom domain. Of course, that'll cost you extra money. And we can view the advanced options if you want to. And when you are ready, just click on publish to selected domain, so that the domain you selected. However, if you only want to view your website, not publish it yet, so that you view the changes that you made, you can click here on the eye icon at the top left here, and it'll hide the editing options, and it will give you only a preview of your website and how it will look like. As you can notice, when I hover, it doesn't give me the editing options anymore. It gives me like how the image will look to a user, an actual user that is using your website. And I can also view it in the tablet view, the mobile portrait, and landscape view. So that is how easy it is to edit your homepage or landing page or any page on your Webflow website.